Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back. In today's video update here for Ethereum, we are trading at $1,572. 24-hour volume, we're up 31.79%. In market cap, we are down 8.07%. Heading over to our chart here, I've got it laid out in 4 time intervals for you: 1 week, 1 day, 2 hours, and 30 minutes. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel as well. Leave me a comment and like the video. But if we take a look here on a weekly time frame, you guys, we are tested and we have seen a rejection already here on August 8th and August 15th from our 20 MA. We can see the previous candle itself, we did close above it. However, huge selling features as well. I don't blame it as we take a look at shorter opportunities in a lower time frame from here, because the volume itself is not matching the increase of the price itself. So that is a hint of taking a look at shorter entries to get more of a profit gain. As we take a look here too, are we going to close above the 20 MA? Probably most likely not, because we are probably going to end in this week as an engulfing candle coming back down to the 1484 price and basically coming down to an area of support. So I'm anticipating that we are going to get rejected once again from the 20 MA. As we can see, the Bollinger Band itself is squeezing in lower volatility. It may not move as fast as we want it to and retest key areas of resistance. As our MACD indicator is still in the 0%, the overall trend itself in a higher time frame is a bearish market. As we can see that this today so far is a lighter green candle. It does show the trend itself may be weakening and we may come down even further. So anticipate dips in the time frames that you are looking at. The RSI itself has initiated a buy opportunity. However, again, because the RSI is going to continue up, we are going to come down in areas of resistance in a lower time frame. We're going to take a look at that here on our daily time frame itself. The last video that I updated here, I believe it was 2 days ago, we found this area as an area of convergence, having it tested as an area of high confluence, meaning that a lot of people are going to be looking at this area in regards to our 2 fib charts indicating this area as well. We bounced very nicely, coming up to an area of support or resistance at $1,789. Take a look at the top RSI, you guys. What occurred there? We had a sell opportunity triggered from our 2 lines, our K line and our D line itself crossed over and retraced downwards. Again, we do see this candlestick at the very bottom. We could debate if it is a shooting star candlestick or a hanging man candlestick itself, depending on the characteristics. But essentially, it did show a lot of exhaustion of this uptrend, and we knew price was going to retrace down. Where it retraced down to was another area of confluence or another area of convergence with our 2 fib charts here, right here at the 38% of our fib and 23% of our fib as well. If we can take a look so far today, we had a low here of $1,561. So same thing kind of here, you guys, as in a high area of interest confluence area. This is going to be found again to see if we can be able to bounce from this area of support. Now our RSI is still dropping. That means price may continue to drop even further. And if we take a look at some of these candlesticks here where we initially found some support, it was right off from the 1549 or even more of a stronger support at 1540 here. So anticipate price to continue to drop here as the RSI is dropping and our MACD indicator does show weakness in the overall trend itself and may possibly flip over on the red side. Heading over to a 2-hour time frame, you guys, not really a high area of confluence area with our fib charts, but if we take a look at what's reacting, what's changing here, we had a buy opportunity here. However, the volume itself did not look like it was going to support the buying opportunity as we were coming up, anticipate this buy order, but the volume itself did not show. So if these two do not match, we want to look at shorter entries, possibly in the 30-minute time frame or 40 minutes or even the 5 minutes time frame within this 2-hour candlestick here. So as price is coming back down, we do see that the RSI is reacting here, and essentially it may trigger again another sell opportunity here. Again, if we take a look here, if the white line is found below the pink line here, it's a sell opportunity at a crucial area too. If we're battling against, staying within this price and having Ethereum not drop anymore, we essentially want it to come back and retest this resistance line here at 1621. But this may drop the price even more with the RSI. And what may be stopping us as well is current dips with our MACD indicator showing strength in the red. If we take a look here, we had very minimal red as price consolidated, hitting resistance, coming down to an area of support. And then volume picked up as well at 43,000 trades, essentially expanding this area and flipped right through a whole bunch of fib retracement areas. So it is very, very strong for indicators as well. So if the price is found near the 1560 and we see an expansion of the volume pump, and if we see an expansion of the MACD indicator, be careful because Ethereum may drop down to the 1507 there. Heading over to the 30-minute time frame, you guys, I'm running out of breath here. We can see the previous candlestick itself has initiated a buy order, but does the volume match here? If we take a look at the volume so far, previous candlestick, 20 million trades. We take a look so far at 2 million trades. Watch out if we do come back up closer to 1581 and at least hit more than 75% of this previous candle, then I'm sure price can come back up and retest the 1592 in a shorter time frame. We do have a buy signal here, and so long as the volume does pick up and we do retrace back closer to the 75 to 80% of this previous candle, then price is going to come up. I don't know if it is going to come up and retest this area. I'm hoping it does retest the 20 MA, because if we do push and close above the 20 MA, then for a very, very short term, it is going to break this bearish term and come back and retrace closer to this area of resistance at 1629. Now, I know that's a little optimistic here, but essentially coming up and retesting the 20 MA in any time frame is essential to be able to change the reversal of that pattern or reversal of that current trend, short trend or long trend. So that is my video for Ethereum. Let me know what you guys think. Comment, subscribe, and like the video, but I'll see you guys next time.